Hi everyone, in this video I'll show how to delete YouTube history or YouTube history delete or how to clear YouTube history. If you want to delete your YouTube history permanently or clear YouTube history permanently, so let's see how to do that. I'll show some steps. You can follow me all steps, so don't skip this video, watch full video and please subscribe this channel. So in this time I can show first process. So first of all, go to YouTube. So in this you can choose and open your YouTube. After that, in this here you can see notification icon. So in this you can choose and select notification icon, click here. After that, right top corner 3 button option, click on it. Choose and open settings. Scroll down. So first of all, you can choose and open manage all history, click here. After that, scroll down. In this here you can see your YouTube all history. In this you can easily delete or clear your YouTube history or permanently delete or clear all YouTube history. So let's see. After that you can see delete. So click here delete. You can see delete today, delete custom range, delete all time. So in this you can choose delete all time, click on it. Remember, your selected YouTube activity will be permanently deleted. After that you can see delete option, so click here delete. You can see deletion complete. The activity that you selected is being permanently deleted from your account and no longer tied to you. After that, choose got it. You can see no activity. In this way you can easily delete YouTube history permanently or clear YouTube history permanently. In this time I can show another process or another way, so let's see. After that, go back. After that, choose and open your data in YouTube, so click here, browse or delete your YouTube activity, and in this you can easily delete your YouTube watch history or delete or clear YouTube search history. So let's see. After that, scroll down. You can see YouTube watch history, your recent history, and in this you can easily see your YouTube watch history, and in this you can easily delete or clear your YouTube watch history. So let's see. So choose and open manage your YouTube watch history. Scroll down. After that, choose delete, click on it. After that, choose delete all time. Choose and select delete, click here. Deletion complete, and in this way you can easily delete YouTube watch history or clear YouTube watch history permanently. After that, go back, and in this time I can delete or clear YouTube search history permanently. So let's see. Scroll down. YouTube search history. After that you can see manage your YouTube search history, so open it. You can see already delete my YouTube search history, and in this way you can easily delete or clear your YouTube watch history or delete or clear your YouTube search history permanently. After that, go back. In this time I can show third process, so minimize it and go to your Google Chrome. After that, choose and open your Google Chrome. After that, in this here write and search youtube.com. After that, in this here click on it. After that, choose and open settings, click on it. After that, choose and select history and privacy, click here. After that, choose and open manage all activity, review and delete items in your history, click on it. After that, choose delete. I can choose delete all time. You can see two options, cancel or delete. So in this you can choose delete option, click here. Deletion complete. The activity that you selected is being permanently deleted from your account and no longer tied to you. In this way you can easily delete your YouTube history or delete your YouTube history permanently or clear YouTube history permanently. In this time I can show another process or another method. So let's see. So go to your Gmail. After that, right top corner, click here, choose and open manage your Google account. After that, choose and select data and privacy, click here. Here scroll down. After that you can see YouTube history. So choose and open YouTube history. Here scroll down. After that, choose and select manage history, click on it. In this I can see my YouTube all history, YouTube watch history, search history, and in this I can easily delete YouTube history permanently or clear YouTube history permanently or delete YouTube watch history and search history. So let's see. After that you can see delete, click here. After that you can choose your need option. I can choose delete all time, click on it. Confirm you would like to delete the following activity. After that you can see delete, click here, deletion complete, and in this way you can easily delete YouTube history or YouTube history delete or clear YouTube history or delete YouTube history permanently or clear YouTube history permanently. So thank you very much and please subscribe this channel.